Welcome back, Kryptonians. Here we are again. Here's another meme coin, Dogebonk. You know, I don't know where these people come up with this stuff. This one even claims to have meme tools. And the part that is the most disturbing is the fact that they have things like Yahoo Finance, Investing.com, Bazinga, Daily Express, CoinQuora, Bitcoin.com, Cointelegraph, and a host of others here supporting them. Look at this comment. BitMEX. I want Dogebonk and any other meme coin. Are they trying to infer here that Matters Verza, co-founder of Zcash, is a supporter of Dogebonk? Okay, and look at this. Okay, we've got oh my goodness, Visor and Joy Ito. And then they even claim that they've got the TikTok community behind them. I just find this so unsettling. They got their liquidity locker up here, locked forever. Ownership renounced, total supply. Oh, I don't even know what this number is. Let me see. That's, 9 zeros would be a billion. What goes beyond that? Okay, 12 zeros would be a trillion. Okay, this must be a quadrillion. 1 quadrillion coins. They're worthless. Hello, is anybody hearing me? Now they're up here talking about they're gonna burn 30% of these useless coins, and hey, you can go over here to Pancake Swap and get you some useless what do they call this? Dogebonk. Okay, if we hit the Twitter, we go over here and it says Dogebonk, the first cryptocurrency sent into space. You missed out on Dogecoin, bonk it. Okay, and then they've got Dogebonk.com, which we were just at. I'd hate to be Elon associated with this kind of foolishness. And if we just look through here, it looks like you can't tell if this is a real community or if it. What the hell? Wait a minute. Whoa. What's wrong with this dude?
Merry Christmas, bonkers! And congratulations to Dogebonk for being the first cryptocurrency in space. Sorry, Elon Musk and Dogecoin holders. Oopsie doopsie. Maybe next time. Oh, wait. 4 more.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't have any words, folks. I don't have any words. I don't have any words. I don't have any words. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, when you are investing your money, okay, you might want to dig into the coin and decide if they're using the blockchain or if it's just all for fun and jokes like this one. Hope you've enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you on the next one.